Welcome to Cozy Pos. In this session, we will see more about Table Layout Designer. In Table Layout Designer, we can create layout as per architecture of our store or outlet, or we can say restaurant, where we can create square tables, circle tables, and also square objects and circle objects. Objects can be anything like service counter, kitchen, washroom, or even plants, trees, lamps, etc. Now go to right side top options or settings button. We'll click on this so that we'll find more options here. For now, go to setup, edit layout. Once we clicked on this, it will prompt for permission. We need to enter our password. Click on OK. So we move to Table Layout Designer. Now here on the right side top, you can find sections that we already created: dine-in and party hall. Suppose now we want to add any section, then we can add new section from here. We'll click on this, then it will prompt for name, section name. Suppose we'll give as poolside. Here you can change fore color, back color, like this. We'll click on OK. Then it will prompt as adding or modifying cannot be undone. If you wish to continue, we'll click on OK. For now, we'll click on OK or continue. Now you can find here the section is created. Now we will add square tables, circle tables, as well square objects and circle objects. Here you can find the option add square table. From here you can add square tables one by one. Also we can add multiple square tables at a time. For now we will add one square table. We'll click on this, then it will prompt for table number. Suppose table number 101. Then it will ask for table capacity. By default it is set to 4. If you want to increase, we can increase it, or if we wish to decrease, we can decrease it. Suppose for now table capacity is 4. We'll click on OK. Then it will prompt for this cannot be undone. Yes, continue. Now you can find here the table is created. You can move the table like this. Even you can expand it like this. You can minimize it like this. Then suppose we want to add more tables. You can go here, add multiple tables. Suppose we want to add 3 square tables at a time. Choose square table, click on OK. Now you can find here the tables. You can move like this. You can expand also. Suppose you want to change table number, also table capacity, then you can simply click on this. Then you can change table number from here. Even you can change table capacity. We'll click on OK. Then it will again prompt for do you wish to continue. Then we'll click on continue. Now we will add circle tables. From here you can add circle tables one by one. Also you can add multiple circle tables from here. For now we will add one circle table by clicking on add circle table. Suppose table number is 301, table capacity is 4. We'll click on OK. Then again it will ask for this cannot be undone. We'll continue. Then we can move the table like this. Now suppose we want to add circle tables, say in 3 quantity, multiple circle tables at a time. Already by default this shape is selected. Now here you can find all these tables. Now you can move like this. All these tables. As per architecture of our store, we can create it. Then you can add square objects like suppose kitchen. Kitchen A. We'll click on OK. Then it will again prompt for this cannot be undone, means do you wish to continue or not. For now we'll click on continue. Then here you can find the object and we are moving it to here. Suppose our kitchen is here. Then suppose we want to add square objects, we added. Now we want to add circle object, we can add it from here. Suppose we want to add washroom. We can change fore color and back color from here. Like this. We'll click on OK. This will again prompt for continue. Now here you will find, now we can move the object like this. So we have created square tables, square objects, circle tables, circle objects. Suppose we want to delete any table, we can delete it from here. Suppose I want to delete this one, then I will click on this and will click on delete table. Then it will prompt for do you wish to continue or not. Suppose click on yes. Now you can see the table is deleted. Even we can delete sections also from here. Then at the bottom you will find 3 buttons: save and exit,